All right, so we're going to use our breadboard and not the actual Arduino, other than to get power out of it. So what I've got going on here is a simple transistor circuit. So this is our transistor in here. It's got 3 legs. It's a 2N2222. And the emitter leg here comes out and goes back straight onto 0 volt. Up here, we've got an LED, and the LED's on the positive side of the LED is going straight to 5 volts, and then come down here to this resistor, and it's coming through the resistor and going to the collector, the outside leg. So between the outside leg and the inside leg, it's effectively operating as a switch. You can see at the moment the switch is not turning on because the LED over here is not turned on. So what we've got going on here is, again, from the positive, we've got effectively a switch between these 2 wires. And then from those 2 wires, they come down here through this resistor and into the middle leg of the transistor, which is called the base. And if we touch these 2 legs together, we can see our LED comes on, which is all well and good. And that comes on very brightly. But what we can do with this, with these 2 pins here, we need very, very little electricity. So I'm just licking my fingers on both hands. I'm going to take that wire between those 2 fingers. I'm going to take that wire between those 2 fingers and look. And so just a little bit of electricity going through the outer bit of our skin will make that work. And in reality, what I've done is I've got one child in a class of 20 odd people to hold that wire here, and everybody links fingers all the way around, and you got the last 2 people, somebody's holding their hand flat like this and somebody else is putting their hand out, their palm out, and they're dabbing their finger onto the palm and the light comes on. So there you go, that's a basic simple transistor circuit.